Amplifier integration harness. 12 inches long. This product is manufactured in China. Harness is used when installing an aftermarket stereo. Connects the aftermarket stereo harness to the vehicle's factory harness. Included components: wire harness, manual. Harness is used when installing an aftermarket stereo. Connects the aftermarket stereo harness to the vehicle's factory harness. Designed specifically to fit the compatible vehicles. Plugs into the factory harness without cutting any wires. Standard color-coded wires provide a consistent and simplified installation. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit for Hyundai Tucson 2013. Worked perfectly for adding aftermarket stereo to a Hyundai Tucson 2013, plugged perfectly into the factory harness, and all connections are working great.